Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix DirectX setup could not download the file. Please retry later or check network connection here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to plug in your USB flash drive or your CD or DVD. Okay? Just have to plug it in. And once you have the plugged it in, just have to check the drive letter of it. Okay? So you can see a letter here enclosed with a parenthesis. In my case, it is an M colon. Just have to remember it. And once you are done, once you have the check your job letter, just have to minimize this window first. And then you need to go to your button search bar and then type for CMD. And a system called command prompt will appear. Please go with run as administrator. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes, so that you would be able to see, to open this blank window. Where here you need to paste a command, okay? Before pasting such, don't worry because I'll be including this in the description box below. Please edit this, okay, into your drive letter. Okay, since my drive letter is letter M, that's why I'm editing this into letter M. Okay, just have to copy it once you have edited it. Okay, and here at the command prompt, please do a right click, go with edit, and go with paste. Okay. The moment you have to change that into your driver here, just have to click on enter. The moment you click on it, just have to wait until the process will be done. It will take less than a minute. Okay. Once you're done, simply close this window and then we need to proceed to our next step. Okay. Our next step will be here at your Google Chrome. Just have to bring it up. Just have to double tap your Google Chrome or whatever browser that is present in your computer. Just have to open it, and here you need to paste a link. Okay, so don't worry because again, I'll be including this at the description box below, so no worries for that. Once you have the copied it, just have to paste it here, then click on enter. Okay, so it asks you to proceed, just have to go to site. Okay, and here you would be redirected to the DirectX end user runtimes June 2010. Just have to select the language that you'd understand or that you'd like to. Okay. I would prefer that you would go with English since it is a universal language. And the moment you have set it, just have to click on download. In my case, I won't be downloading such because I have already downloaded it in my laptop. So I won't be clicking this. But in your case, you have to click on it so that we can proceed to our next step. Okay. So once you have downloaded it, just have to close this window, okay? And here at the desktop screen, please do a right click, okay? And you need to go with new and go with folder, okay? The moment you have created a new folder, please name that DirectX, okay? And then click on enter. So the moment you have to click on it, just have to open your file explorer, please. Okay. And the moment you have opened it, just have to go to your downloads where your downloaded file is being placed to. Okay. And here, just have to double tap and then click on yes. And you need to minimize this file explorer first so that you can focus into this small window. Here, you need to click on browse. Okay. And go with desktop. Click this forward arrow and select your folder that you have just created earlier and then click on OK. And then click on OK. And we just have to wait until this extracting process will be done. Okay. So I can see this being done. Just have to open your file folder. Okay. And here you need to scroll down and you need to look for DX setup. Okay. Just have to do a right click and please scroll down. Okay. And scroll up and then you need to go with run as administrator. Okay. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes. And just have to go with I accept the agreement and then click on next and just have to finish this process. Okay? So once you're done, just have to wait until this installation process will be done. Okay? And just have to wait until this will be done. Okay? So let me just close this so that we can proceed to our next step. Okay? So our next step would be we need to open our command prompt again. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, so let me just leave it here. Leave it that open. And here at the bottom search bar, please search for CMD. Type CMD. Okay, let me just type it again, CMD, and just have to go to the best matched, which is a system called command prompt. Okay, so here you need to go with run as administrator and click on yes when your user account can ask you to say yes. Just go with yes and just have to wait until the blank window will appear. Okay. Here you need to type a command. Okay. Just have to copy this command, which is ipconfig space forward slash flushdns. Okay. Then click on enter. And once it says here successfully flush the DNS resolver cached, okay, just have to go with netsh winsock reset. Okay, paste it here and then click on enter. Just have to wait until all of this will be done. Successfully reset the winsock catalog, and then you need to close this window. Okay, so it is starting and copying files actually. So just have to leave that open again, and we need to proceed to our next step. Okay, so our next step will be will be our last step. You need to open your Google Chrome again. Just have to bring it up once again. And here at the search bar, you need to search for this. Okay, DirectX setup. Okay, X setup or end user time. Okay, user run time. Then click on enter and just have to wait until you are being redirected to the results. Okay, so you can see it here at the very first, which is DirectX and user runtime. Just have to click on it. Okay, and the moment you've the click on it, you'd be redirected here with the DirectX user runtime web installer. Just have to select your language again, the language that you'd understand too. Okay, and then click on download. Okay, once you have downloaded it, just have to wait until it will be done and then install it in your computer. Okay, so once you have installed it, you need to restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.